Do you charge extra to treat Arizona bark scorpions, or is that protection included in your regular service? Well, if you look around at the pest control industry, you're going to see a lot of companies playing a very specific pricing game. They'll entice you with a cheap entry level introductory price. Looks great in big bold print, but if you dig deep into the fine print of that contract, they're intentionally leaving out scorpions. Then the moment you call them up because you find a bark scorpion in your home, they hit you with the trap. Oh, sorry, scorpions aren't included in our basic package. That's going to require a premium upgrade fee. They nickel and dime you for everything. An extra charge for interior sprays, a separate fee for granules, a fee for dewebbing. It's just add-on after add-on after add-on. At Open Range, we don't play those games. Never have, never will. Scorpion control is 100% included in our base maintenance package. We cover scorpions right along ants, crickets, cockroaches, spiders, earwigs, silverfish, and pretty much every other bug that crawls across the ground. Think about it logically. Scorpions are the number one reason homeowners in the West Valley call a professional exterminator in the first place. Most other crawling insects are just minor annoyances, but a bark scorpion can actually harm your family or your pets. Excluding them, the most critical pest in Arizona from a standard package just to force an upgrade later, that makes absolutely no sense for the customer. Now, to be completely transparent, we do have separate mechanical methods to stop scorpions that carry an upcharge. If we have to physically get up on your roof to cover the screen off your vents and structurally seal the entry points, well, that's an intensive one-time structural exclusion service. And I've broken down exactly why we do those in an earlier video. But when it comes to your regular chemical maintenance barrier, we use premium specialized products that knock down scorpions from day one, and it won't cost you an extra penny. No hidden fine print, no corporate upgrade traps, just straightforward, honest barrier that keeps your family safe. Trained technicians, all-inclusive pricing, straightforward logic. We give you a bug-free home without sacrificing your peace of mind. Give Open Range a call.